Welcome to our next class, students. Let's start with the chapter The Unbeatables. First unit, Around the World. Match the following. The biggest city in area is New York Metro, USA. The biggest country in area is Russia. Biggest dam is the Three Gorges Dam, China. Biggest dome beta you can see it is this kind of shape is called dome. Clear? So the biggest dome is the dome of Pantheon, Rome. Biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Biggest administrative building where the administration for the meetings, clear, administration they are using, that is called Palace of Parliament, Romania. Clear? The biggest planet is the planet Jupiter. Next is the highest. Which is the highest airport? Clear? It is what? Docheng Yarding Airport, China. Which is the highest mountain range? That is Himalayas. Mountain peak is Mount Everest, that is in Nepal. And the highest road is, which is the highest road? It is what? Khardung, Ladakh. The largest what is the meaning of archipelago? It is an extensive group of islands. A group of collective islands is called archipelago. So what it is? The largest it is what? It is in Indonesia with a group of 17,000 islands. Clear? The largest forest, which is the largest forest? It is taiga forest. The largest island is Greenland. The largest lake with the salt water, it is what? The largest lake with the salt water is Caspian Sea. Clear? The largest railway platform is Gorakhpur Railway Station, UP. And the largest gulf is Gulf of Mexico. The tallest minaret, it is what? The Great Hassan II Mosque, Morocco. Statue, the tallest statue is Spring Temple Buddha. It is in China. The tallest fountain is King Fahd Fountain, Jeddah. And the minaret freestanding, clear, without any support, that is what? Qutub Minar, Delhi. Clear? Now the next page is page number 21, word study. Answer the following, take the help from the given clues they have given there. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? Thailand. Which country designed the first mechanical clock? China. Who assassinated the US President Abraham Lincoln? Who assassinated? John Wilkes Booth. Who commanded the American force during the American War of Independence? George Washington. Which country, this you must have done in history also. Which country is known as the land of golden fleece? Beta, what is the meaning of fleece? It is what? Woolly covering. It is what? Australia. Which civilization inspired the Renaissance? Renaissance means Europe civilization. Clear? It is what? Ancient Greek and Rome. The Industrial Revolution in the last quarter of 18th century in England first affected the cotton textile industry. Which style of painting was used by the early Renaissance artist? It is what? Greco-Roman. Clear? Who was the head of provincial government of Russia in 1917? It's Leo Tolstoy. Then during the period of Renaissance, the new style of architecture first developed in Italy. Clear? So no more also. The Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain in later part of the 18th century. Next page, types of the government. You know what is government? Every country is run by government. Government can be classified into many types. Clear? It is the type of government in which the supreme power is vested in the people, where government is elected by the people of country, which is in our India we have democracy. Clear? And exercised directly by them or their elected representative. Who is electing in our country? You know that elections, you must have seen the period of election also. So we are electing our government. So this is what? Democracy. It is the type of government in which the supreme authority is vested in the single person, such as a king or queen. It is called monarchy. Clear? Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Clear? So a type of government in which aristocrats means noblemen, elites, superior or privileged upper class rule over the people. It is what? Aristocracy. Clear? Then the countries also I mentioned here, England, Britain, royal families. Clear? They are ruling. A type of government in which the open person or a group of person rule over the people, that is what? Dictatorship. It is in China and North Korea. That is called dictatorship. It is the government of rule of tyrant. Tyrant means cruel ruler, very cruel. Clear? Or the absolute ruler. So that tyrant, cruel ruler is supreme power only. That is called tyrant. Clear? A type of government with the clergy exercise political power and in which the religious law is dominant over the civil law. It is what? Theocracy. Clear? Theocracy. It is in Vatican City of Iran. Cities, countries also I mentioned. The type of government in which the power is held by a small group, it is oligarchy. What it is? Oligarchy. Small group can be rich people also. So this type of government is there in Russia. Now, no more. Beta, what is communism? Communism means where the state is dominant. Clear? Like in China, earlier all the people, they used to wear same color of dress. That is called communism. Clear? So communism is a system of social organization in which all economic and social activities is controlled by totalitarian state dominated. See, state dominated by a single and self-perpetuating political party. Russia and China currently have communist governments. Clear? Next is playing the games. Players are given over here and you have to find out that these players are related to which game. They may ask you these questions in the form of matchups, fill-ups. Clear? So anything they ask. So first one is, you can see it is the player is related to ice hockey, Wayne Gretzky. Then the second is, you can see this person, he is Krishnan Sasikiran, chess champion. Then the third is what? Michael Jordan. Clear? Basketball player. Then the fourth is, it is what? Zidane soccer. Then fifth is Mahesh Bhupathi, lawn tennis. Then the next is Arjun Atwal, golf. Clear? And the seventh is Dara Torres, swimming. Then the next is Sebastian Vettel. It is Formula 1 driver. Next is ninth. It is Aparna Popat, badminton champion. And the last is Mike Tyson, boxing champion. Clear? So they may ask you in the form of matchups or fill-ups. Next is martial arts. So in your school also, earlier you must have seen students playing judo. Clear? So judo is a form of martial arts, art and ancient fighting method designed basically for self-defense and discipline. Okay? It is used for self-defense and discipline. First, it is a popular Korean martial art, Korean of Korea. It focuses primarily on kicks, blocks, punches and strikes. It is what? Taekwondo. Clear? It is Japanese martial art and focuses on the sword. Sword means talwar, sword fighting, kendo. Third is a Japanese martial art that focuses on redirecting the attack away from you. Clear? If attack, you have to direct away. It involves grabs, strikes, throws, pins and joint locks. It is what? Aikido. It is the Thai martial art with Thai that focuses on the techniques such as kicks, punches, elbow strike, knee strike, okay, grappling and headbutts. It is what? Moe Boran. Then it is the popular Japanese martial art that focuses on punches, elbow strike, knee strike, kicks and weapon training, karate. That you have seen karate. Clear? Then it is the Japanese martial art. In this martial art, a short staff of about 0.9 to 1.5 meter long, clear? You can see they are holding it, is used to, see they are holding, is used to defend against the sword. It is what? Jojutsu. Clear? Next is, a national sport is a sport that is considered to be an intrinsic part of the culture of country. Match these sports with the country. Table tennis, clear? Of China. Judo of Japan. Cricket, Guyana. Baseball, USA, national sport of USA. Clear? Archery, Bhutan. Ice hockey, Canada. Bullfighting, Spain. Kabaddi, Bangladesh. Rugby union, New Zealand. And wrestling, Turkey. Clear? Then after, these are the terms, few terms related to the games, and you have to find out with which games these terms are related. Have, half, Nelson, it is related to wrestling. Clear? Deuce love related to volleyball. Hoops mallet, it is related to croquet. Then uppercut punch is related with boxing. Those who are watching these games, they must be knowing. Diamond bunting is related to baseball. Smash drop is related to badminton. Volley service is related to lawn tennis. Clear? Chakkar bandar is related to chakkar band polo. Jockey protest is related to horse racing, and gambit stalemate is related to chess. Clear? So children, next page we will continue in our next video. Clear? Till then, stay safe and prepare your chapters well. Thank you.